On today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase resolution of images and they're still going to be quality amazing. This is really mind-blowing. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, what is up? So I recently discovered a product that is literally mind-blowing or life-changing depending on the kind of images that you have to work with. Well, obviously as a designer, you'd want to work with high quality, really nice images, but a lot of times you'd work with clients, especially if you're just starting out and the clients are not amazing and they don't have so much money. The images that they're going to provide to you, sometimes they're crappy, they're low resolution, bad imagery, whether it is product imagery, images of the team, or maybe even their logo can be really, really crappy. So check out this new tool. It's called Let's Enhance IO. And basically, they've created some AI algorithm that you upload a crappy image and it really improves it. I've given it a try. I want to show you how this works. Basically, you're dropping images here and you can choose how kind of the algorithm that's going to run, whether it is a photo with faces or maybe illustration or digital arts for logos. I want to show you the end results because it's just mind-blowing. So here is an image of me from 20 years ago. All right, so the original resolution of this image is 593 pixels wide. Okay, this is actually an analog photo taken of me from 20 years ago when I was in Switzerland or somewhere. As you can see, it's actually analog here, right? So I'm zooming in, you can see how pixelated and ugly it is. So I've taken this image and I've upscaled it 4 times. Note they can actually upscale 16 times, but this is for the paid version and I just tried the free one. So I've increased the resolution 4 times. Let's see how that turned out. So bam, check this out. Like, let's go back to 100% original. So this is the original and this is the new original. So it looks pretty good. It's a little bit grainy, but still very good. I mean, let's compare it when you're zooming in here. You can really see how let me put them side by side. You can really see how the image here is pixelated while this is really nice. If you zoom in here, you can see it's not perfect, but it's just so much better than the first one. Now let me show you the other one, which is really mind-blowing. So I took this logo, really like a bad logo of a plumbing company. Let's say this is my client and they've sent me this logo 230 pixels wide. Let's just see the one that is increased 4 times over. Bam, check this out. It's so sweet. It's so clear. If I would zoom in here or try to use this on my website, it's just going to be super, super pixelated while this is sharp and crisp. So this is fantastic, and this product gives you like 5 credits for free, then you have to pay. But I do think if you don't have any choice, if your clients, that's what they're sending to you, this is a fantastic, fantastic solution. Definitely goes into my bookmark resources tabs. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know if you know any other new cool tools that I should know about, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.